everyone, this is Rocio Espinoza from the Roland Center. Today we are going to be talking about our new remote services activity packet. So some of you guys did receive the packets already on Monday. It should look something like this. So in this video we are going to be talking about how exactly they are going to be delivering, and then how exactly they're going to be picking them up. And then I am actually going to review each page with you guys just to make sure that you guys understand each page. Okay, so let's get started. So as I mentioned before, this is how the packet is going to look like. You are going to receive a new packet every Monday, maybe some Tuesdays, but majority it's going to be every Monday. Now, and on the bottom, that's where it tells you when exactly you will be turning it in. For example, for this week, you guys received it the 21st, and right here it says please turn in finished packet by Monday, September 28th. So let's look at the calendar. So as I mentioned, the 21st is when you received the packet. So you will have a whole week to complete this week's packet, and then you will be turning it in on the 28th. So what I'm recommending is for you to leave your packet outside of your door, maybe around like 8 o'clock in the morning, just to make sure that your transportation is able to pick it up. So as you guys may have already seen, that your transportation were the ones that were dropping it off, or either it was from a staff from the Roland Center. So what they are going to do is they're going to go to your house on the 28th again. They are going to pick up the packet, the one that you completed, the one that you were given the 21st, and then they're going to give you a new packet also for this week's. Okay? So like I mentioned, try to have the packet completed by the 27th. So by the 28th, you are able to turn it in the morning, maybe at 8 o'clock. If you are, if you sleep in late, then maybe have it ready by the 27th. You could have it outside the door Sunday night, just so the transportation doesn't miss and not pick up your packet that you already completed. If you are still confused about the drop-off or pickup, then feel free to contact your counselor. We are here for you if you have any questions. So now we are going to be going over each page. So this is the first page of the week 1 packet. As you can see right here, it shows you when exactly you should do it that week. So for this math problem, you should do it on Monday. This math problem, you should do Tuesday. And this one you should do on Wednesday. So first, let's get started on Mondays. So this one has to do with, let's look at the question. It says, how much money is here? So we have to count how much money is in this image. So first, what I usually do is recognize how much each cent is. So a dime, first of course get a pen or pencil. So for a dime, you put 10 cents. Remember, a nickel is 5 cents. A dime again is 10 cents. And again, another nickel is here, and that is 5 cents. And then also over here, this is a penny, so we put 1 cent here. And this is another penny, which is also 1 cent. So now I usually start off with the dollars. So right here is 5, and this is $1, another dollar, another dollar, and another dollar. So you're just doing 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So let's get to counting. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. So I'll put $9 right here. And then with the coins, it's easier to start off with the bigger numbers. So it's going to be from 10, 20, and then the nickels 25 30, and then we have the 2 pennies right here with 31 and then 32. So we have a total of 32 cents. So we're going to put a period right here, and then we're going to do 32 cents. Okay, so now let's look at our options. So now we're going to see which one is $9.32. A, no, this is $3.92. B, $8.32. No, we need $9.32. C, $9.32. Okay, so it looks like we found our answer, so we are going to circle it. Okay, and that's how we do the first problem. Number 2, it says, what time is on the clock? So we're going to look at the clock. Remember, the little hand, that's the first number. Remember how the time is usually with 2 circles, okay? Or 2 dots if you want to. And then the first number right here is with the little arm. And then so you're gonna count. What number is that pointing to? 1, 2, 3, 4. Pointing to 4. So you're just gonna put 4. With the big arm, these you count by 5s, each number. Okay, but number 12, this is actually a 0. And as you can see, the big arm is pointing to 0. So right here, we are going to put 0, 0. Okay, if it was longer, the long one pointing to 1, then it would be by 5. So it would be 405. And if it was pointing to 2, it would be 10. And it would be 410. Remember, we're counting by 5s when it's the long arm. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. But as I mentioned, we have to go by what the picture is saying. So this one, like I said, little arm 4, big arm 0. So it's 0, 0. So now let's look at our options. A, 3 o'clock. Nope, we need 4. B, 4:30. No, not quite. C, 3:30. No. D, 4 o'clock. And there it is, 4 o'clock. For our daily practice, now this one is just adding. So it's 8 plus 2. So 8, you just have to say the number 8, and then 9, 10. Because you just need 2 more. So it's 8, 9, 10. It's okay to use your fingers. Or you could even use dots. Or anything else, like maybe like, counting, having pencils in front of you. So you could put like 6 pencils and then 8 pencils. How much are they together? Or you could go like this. Let's start with 6 plus 8. 6, and I'm going to go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and I got 14, total 14, because it's 6 plus 8. So I'm starting from 6, and we have 8 right here. So it's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Remember, now we have, always look at your sign, okay? So now the sign has changed. Now we are doing minus. So it's 8 take away 3. So you could use your fingers for this one. Have 8 fingers up, and then put 3 fingers down. Now how many do you have? 5. Now you have 5 fingers. And now for the same thing, put 9 fingers up, and then we are going to put down 5 because -5. So let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you get equals 4. Okay, All right, now that's it for the second one. For the third problem, the class took a vote to see what shape everyone liked best. And as you can see, this is a chart that they give you. Okay, let's see the question. What number of students liked the triangle shape best? Okay, so now we have to look for the shape of a triangle. Which one is it? Oh, it's right here. So now we have to see how many people. Remember, so there's one block and then there's another block. Now you usually just go straight to see how much is that number, and it is 2. So this has 2 people voted for the triangle. Okay, so now we are going to look at our answers. We have A, 2. Oh, yeah, we got it right there. Okay, so now we're going to circle A. And that is it for this page. And now for the second page. As I mentioned before, it also shows what day you should do it. So this one is for Thursday and this one is for Friday. So let's get started on the Thursday. So this one is fraction. Fractions, so usually what it is you do a line right here. On the bottom is the denominator. That is the number that shows the total. So like for example, the total of cups. So the total of cups that we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we put the total of the cups down right here. On top, we are going to show how many are filled in. Okay, so now we're going to count which ones are filled in. So it is 1, 2, 3. 3 cups are filled with pins. So we are going to put 3. Okay? And then right here it says, what is the fraction for cups with pins in? Okay, so now we're going to look at the answers. It's 1/2. No. 2 4s? No. 4 8s? No. 3 6? Yes. Like I said, it's asking for how many cups with pins in. There's 3 out of the 6 cups. All right, let's get started with Fridays. Okay, so now we have another problem with counting money. Again, first let's look at the question. How much is the total? Okay, so the dime, we said that it was 10 cents. So let's put 10 cents, just to remind us. And then a nickel, 5 cents. And then penny, we are going to be 1 cent, another 1 cent, and then another 1 cent. So now let's just add all of them up. So it's 10 plus 5 equals 15. And then we're going to count by ones now. So what's after 15? 16, 17, 18. And remember, when we're talking about cents, you have to put a period and then the cents. If it was over here, it would be dollars. Okay? So since there is no dollars, we're going to put 0. $0.18. So let's look at our answers to see which one it is. Okay, so for this one, A. This one is $18. Remember how I said if it's before the decimal, the dot, then it's dollars, but no, we do not have dollars. It's 18 cents. B, 18 cents. Okay, we got it, 18 cents. For your next few pages, this is pretty much an activity sheet or to-do list. So it's just giving you options what you could do throughout the day to keep you busy. That is the main goal, keeping you guys busy and active, making sure that you guys are not just sitting down watching TV. You guys we want you to make sure that you, like I said, are active and helping out around the house. So as you see right here, this day is for Monday. This is for Tuesday. This is for Wednesday, Thursday, and then we have Friday over here, Saturday, and over here is Sunday. Okay, so let's look at the list. So right here we have sweeping, yard work, cleaning, laundry, dishes, vacuuming, exercise, and other. Okay, so let's say you helped doing the dishes. So what you're going to do is just check it off. Okay, so, and if you did exercise, let's say you walked around your neighborhood, check mark that. And this is how many minutes you did of exercising. So I'm going to put, I did at least 25 minutes of walking. Okay, if you did something else other than these that you want to include, then just check it off. And then, for example, you could put organizing desk. Okay, my writing is a little sloppy, but you get the point. So you don't have to put like a full sentence. You could just keep it short and put organizing desk. Okay. The next page that we gave you is a crossword puzzle. So the way this works is we look at each word and then we are going to try to find it in this box. Okay, so for example, I am going to try to look for the word cabbage. Okay, so I go down here looking for C because that's what the letter starts with. Okay, I found a C. And then again, we look at what's next. A, we have an A, and then a B, another B, and then we have the whole word, cabbage. So now that I found it, I'm going to circle and then cross that word out because I already completed it. And now I have to find all the other words. And that's it for the crossword puzzle. For this one, it is showing you how to write the letter A, learning more about the letter A. So first of all, before doing anything, like I mentioned before, always read the instructions. So it says letters come in big and small sizes. The big form of each letter is called uppercase. The small form of each letter is called lowercase. Trace each A, uppercase A and lowercase a, then write some of your own. So what you're going to do is trace both of these A's and continue writing these A's to practice your writing. Okay, and then you are going to do that throughout the whole line until you don't have any room. The same thing with this. Trace the A's, making sure that you write it down. And then again, making sure that you hit this line, that line, and then down. Hitting the line, this line, and then down. You have to make sure when you are writing though, keep it within the lines, okay? Copy what they are showing you. Like for example, this one is between the middle line and the end line, so you have to keep it within that line. Like for example, I did not go all the way down, so it's not as good as this one. We have to try to push it down. There you go. Okay, let's go on to the next one. It says color each picture whose name begins with A. So we're looking for words that begin and start with A. Apple. Yes, because it does have an A in it. It starts with A. So we are going to color that in. So you go ahead and color that in. Bert. No, that starts with the letter B. So we do not color that in. We just leave it like that. Ant. Ant does start with the letter A, so we color in the ant. Now on this page, we have a coloring page. So as you can see, this coloring page has numbers on them. So for example, 3. We have to go and use this page to look at the number 3, and that tells us what color to color it in. So 3, you are going to color it in with the color orange. So I'm going to color this orange, I'm going to color this orange, anything that has 3. This orange. Then we also have a 10 right here. So what we are going to do is go back to the chart again. 10 is green. So we are going to color the leaves green. We have a flower right here that's 4. Again, we go to the colors, look for 4. We are going to color that flower yellow. Okay, so we go back over here and we are going to color everything that is 4 with yellow. Now on this page and the last page of your packets, each packet is going to have a questionnaire. There it is going to ask you, what did you like about the packet? What did you not like about the packet? What would you like us to add to future packets? And then it says list 3 things that you like. For example, drawing, coloring, puzzles, and stuff like that. So the reason for the questionnaire is to see what you liked about the packet and what you didn't like about the packet, just so we could make the packet more personalized to you. I know these packets, maybe the first packet might have been easy, might have been hard. So we want to tailor it, make the packet exactly how you like it, what you're able to understand. So filling out the questionnaire will help us out a lot to make sure that you guys are enjoying them. The first 2 packets, so the one that you received this week and the packet that you are going to receive next week, are going to be all the same for everybody. They're going to be something general, okay? Just to see what you guys like and like I said, what you guys like and what you guys don't like. After that, we are going to be more personalizing the packets. So as I mentioned, just seeing, like for example, if you like more crossword puzzles, if you like more coloring pages, then after we will be, then we'll be including more of that in your packet, okay? Like I mentioned before, if you have any questions, then feel free to just contact your counselor. Also, one more thing, as I mentioned before, we are going to be sending out packets every Monday or Tuesday. So your counselor will be texting you every Monday or Tuesday, just asking if you received your packet or not. If you could please reply yes, you did receive it, or no, you did not. We will be texting by the end of the day, hoping that you did receive it. And as I mentioned, if you didn't, then just let us know. And then we will try to see what was the issue and see if we could try to give it to you by the next day. We would really appreciate, like I said, the text back. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I just want to say that I am looking forward for Monday to seeing your guys' packets, seeing what you guys completed, looking at your guys' coloring pages. And I just wanted to say I'm extremely happy that some of you guys are doing it. You guys are already texting me that you guys already started on it, that you guys are almost halfway done. So I am so glad that you guys are keeping busy and motivated. And yeah, like I said, just looking forward to receiving the packets on Monday. And I hope you guys continue to enjoy them and do them every week. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.